All right, guys. Today I'm going to try these Japanese udon noodles. Really excited to try this. It's made out of wheat flour, water, and sea salt. I'm gonna make it in a pot of pho stock that I froze from last week, and so the stock is already done. You might have to search for this, but pho is a common Southeast Asian dish, predominantly made in Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand, and so forth. But anyways, in here was beef bones, star anise, cinnamon, coriander. Those things are in a cheesecloth bag, and then what's left is just the stock. There is some meat in there already, but I'll be adding it to my dish later as well. But I just wanted to see how these cook in here. Like I said, I never had this before, but this is Japanese udon noodles. So, open it up, find out. All right. And I'm awful at trying to guess how much to put. So it comes in a pack of 3 rolls inside. I'm gonna take one of them out. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. How well done. Okay, I think I'm just gonna use, let's try a little bit over the half of the packet. See how that looks. And I'm just gonna cover it. I have the pot at almost high, not quite, but 90%. But back to this dish, I'm just gonna cook the noodles, see how long it takes, and I'll give you guys a review on what I think about it later. Let's see. It's only been in for 40 seconds. Let's see, take a look here. All right, still got a ways to go. I don't think that's enough. I'm gonna put a little more. So I'm gonna put essentially the whole third of the roll for the. So again, this comes in a pack of, the one pack has 3 rolls. I'll put in the whole roll for myself. Cover it up again. But off to the left here, I'll put as much as I want into this bowl. I'll probably put the air fried steak to medium. This was seasoned with oyster sauce, or glazed with oyster sauce, I'm sorry. And of course, cilantro. Off to the left here, I just washed these Thai chilies. They're beautiful red, super spicy. I'll probably enjoy a few while I'm enjoying this dish. Okay, so we're in it for about a minute and a half, but I put the second part later, so let's see how this looks. Ooh, pretty soft, but it could probably be softer. Let me see here. Oh yeah, it's got a while to go. All right. A lot of these instant noodle dishes that I've been cooking, it takes literally like 45 seconds for them to hydrate. This one, the way that they make them, it's a little more robust. According to this package, it has to be in boiling water for 13 to 14 minutes. Wow. I don't think it takes that long. And it actually suggests that you do rinse it, so. Oops, I'm not gonna be rinsing this. Wow, that's beautiful. I'm gonna just take one out and try it. Tasty. So yeah, it is kind of hard on the inside. It's got a lot of flavor. It's already what's neat about these noodles, which I'm excited for, is that it seems to absorb the stock into the noodle itself, unlike the other dishes that we make. Okay, just gonna do another minute. Pretty hot. Okay. Try it again. Delicious. So unlike the package, I technically have had this thing boiling for a little bit over 5 minutes now. And my last test, I think it's pretty good. As I mentioned several times, I don't like my noodles really soft. I like it has some texture to it. I don't like mushy noodles, I guess. So I'm gonna do it for another 30 seconds and call it good. I'm gonna pour it into my bowl and let you guys see how it looks. All right, almost coming up there. Go ahead and turn that off. Turn this here. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful. I had some meat in there earlier. I might have to just fork out the noodles. Yeah, do this. There we go. Oops. Creating a mess here. Okay, I think this should be enough. Wow, there we have it. Look at that. While it's still piping hot, I'm gonna put my air fried steak in there. Go ahead and add some. And remember, well, the stem on cilantro is fantastic. I've always questioned why some people don't use the stem. Some people just use the leaves. I think it's great. And chopsticks. Let you have a closer look here. There you have it. I'm excited.